Morning car lovers, welcome back. I'm Bobby Freeman and today, my friends, you join me at Castle Coombe Race Track where we're going to be doing the first track day of my channel. So I'm very excited. And I'm particularly excited because we're going to be driving one of my all-time favourite cars. I know I say that about pretty much every car on the show, but this really genuinely is. But it's also been a bit of an enigma as well. So I'm talking about the TVR. If you don't know what a TVR is, you know, sort of younger viewers might not know because they've stopped making them a while ago. The company went through sort of a weird time, got bought by several different people, but I don't know what it's doing now. It's kind of languishing. But I remember years ago, I used to work in an office next door to a TVR workshop, and they used to come past the office, and I just used to think, my God, they look absolutely awesome, just really crazy designs and really kind of futuristic for the time as well. Even though they, you know, most of them are like, I don't know, the last one was made probably 20 years ago now. They still look super cool and super relevant and really kind of, you know, you could imagine it as a brand new car in a showroom right now. However, despite having worked in the motor industry, particularly with sports cars for over 10 years, I have never so much as sat in a TVR before. So I'm extremely excited to bring this video for you today and to add to all that, take it on the track as well. And if you like the sound of that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch, oh God, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of it. So here we are on the opening straight. This is where you join the racetrack. It's also one of the fastest bits of the track when they, obviously not when they're coming on the track, but when they're coming down from that corner there, they really step on it. And we can actually see, hopefully see, the TVR that I'm going to go in, which Tom's going to be driving. He's just passed me, but he won't be long because that car, here we go, watch this, what we got here? Caterham coming down here, they're very popular here on the track, Caterhams. Look at that thing go. Another Caterham coming down now. Yeah. Look at this one. Look at this one. Vauxhall Corsa with a great big boy racer spoiler on it. You can literally race anything on this track. What's this one? Another Caterham coming down. Here it is. Here's the TVR. No, it's not. That's an MR2. That's a Toyota MR2. And there's the TVR. There's the TVR. That's the one I'm going to be going in. So here we are in the kind of the pits, and I finally found my friend Tom. I've been looking around for a little bit. I wasn't sure where he was, but he's actually definitely here. And here is the TVR Chimaera. Here with my friend Tom.
Hello, mate.
We're going to have an amazing day. We've just been chatting loads of car stuff, haven't we? So it's 350 horsepower, as you say, is it?
We use about 350, 370-ish today.
About 350.
I'll flick it up just to show what it's like, but it's too scary for big corners.
Because there is a switch on it which flicks it up to 500 and...
You can get about 370-ish, about 420, and then up to about 550.
That's an amazing switch. So are we going to flick it, or we're not allowed to flick it on there?
We can flick it on the straights.
Just on the straights, just not around the corner.
See what I mean?
So Tom's just explained to me about this amazing switch. So if we have a look in here, we've got a switch there which says fuck and then fucking fuck, which is technical terms for this car's going to go really fast and well, I have to fight to stay out the ditch. And this engine's just, I mean, look at it. So you say it's got a new engine in there. You put a different
4.6 in there.
4.6.
And threw a turbo on it as well, just for a laugh. So me and a few mates did that. We threw it all in a weekend.
Did you?
Yeah, it's taken a few tweaks over a couple of years, but we put the engine and turbo in a weekend.
My God. Blimey, but I wouldn't know where to start with putting an engine. I'm one of those people that's happy to drive a car, but no idea how it works.
I didn't when I started, and then I just took bolts out and had to learn when we went back in.
Really?
So.
Well, they've obviously gone in the right place. Also, one of the good things that not many people know about a TVR, for a 2-seater roadster, it's actually got a hell of a lot of boot space. So let's have a look. If I just lift that up there, look at that! Look at the size of it. You could get, I think me and Tom could both get in there and...
I reckon, well, I don't know about myself, but two of you maybe.
I used to do that in some of my videos. I used to get in the boot, but I don't think I'll do it on this. Look at that! So it's actually a practical family car as well. There you go.
What could you want?
And they've got the gold alloys as well on here. Yeah.
Big brakes all round.
Awesome. And me and Tom were just saying, there's no real traction control or ABS to speak of. It's just wheels, a great big engine, and some 2 seats basically, isn't it?
Right foot, that is your traction control.
Wow. Well, we're not going to mess around any longer. We're going to let it cool down a little bit because it's just you could fry some eggs on those brakes, I think, at the moment. So, and then we're going to get out on the track and have some fun. Awesome. Yep, all good. Thank you. Right, here we go. TVR on the racetrack. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! That is awesome! Oh my god, this is so much grip! Oh yeah, man! I should probably try and do some commentary, right? Okay. It's really, is that the chicane you were talking about? Yeah. So there's been a big crash over here. They had to put a chicane. Oh my god, this thing absolutely shifts. Oh my god, it really moves. Oh my god. This is the back section of the track. As you can probably tell, that K-trim in front of us is absolutely flying. Whoa! My God! This TVR really holds onto the corners like nothing else. Oh, there's an aerial atom and a mini, an aerial atom and a mini. Oh yes! Oh my god! It's so fast in those corners! Okay Tom, that's pretty fast! Oh man! We're on for the second lap now, he's really pushing it into these corners! Oh yes! Oh my god! This is fast! Really fast. Bit of a chicane here. Oh my god, they can feel the brakes. Hey? Okay, we got a medium boost now. Jesus. Oh my god, this is going even more power we've picked up. Oh okay. Bloody hell. So I don't know if you heard that, but that's on maximum boost, that last bit. Jesus. Pull your bloody face off. That was immense. Absolutely brilliant. So cool.
There we go.
My God, that was awesome. Oh, man alive. Thank you so much for that, Tom. That was probably the best day of my life. Oh my God, that was something else. I think we timed it well with the weather as well. It's just started to get a little bit.
I think we've done all right there.
A few spots coming down now. I don't think. Not TVR weather and it's pouring down, I imagine.
Not really.
Wow. My God, so that's my first track experience in a TVR. Tom, absolutely. Oh, he's an expert. You've done this before, haven't you, Tom? I think. Have a look at the engine here, and if you can hear it ticking away there. Oh my God. You can warm your hands on that in the winter, I tell you. Look at that. That was absolutely amazing. I bet the tyres are roasting, aren't they?
They're pretty warm.
Ooh, shit. So we've got all the stats back from the car now. We maxed out at about 120, didn't we, Tom? I think. Yeah, about 120-ish. And what's it like? Just what does it mean to you, this car? You know, it's obviously a passion of yours to do this. And
I always wanted one when I was a kid.
Did you?
And one came up for a good price, so I just snapped it up.
Yeah.
It wasn't quite scary enough, so I made it scary.
And then how often do you take it on the track? Because you really, you know.
I've just bought a house.
Oh, have you?
I'm a little bit strapped for cash.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
2 or 3 track days a year at the minute.
Do you? Okay.
That's why I'm trying to save some money.
But it's 2 or 3 more than a lot of people do, isn't it? Really? Because when a lot of people buy these cars, and we were saying earlier, they stick them in a garage and sort of keep them as an investment. But this is
enjoy them properly.
Exactly. But this is really used for what it's what it was built for. Really.
Yeah.
Although you said it was built for cruising, technically.
It's a great cruiser.
Yeah.
I've just made it more of a track car.
Yeah.
The suspension, brakes, tyres, all the engine work. It's all for going faster on tracks, really.
Yeah, and it really bloody does. Well, Tom, look, it's been absolutely amazing meeting you and going around this car today. Thank you so much for sharing the time. I know my viewers are going to absolutely love this, so thanks very much, buddy. There he is, the legend. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video today. It's been my first track day on the channel. It's been absolutely, honestly, it's so much fun. Talk to some awesome people, and Tom's obviously got an incredible car, and I'm very grateful for him for giving up his time to do that for us today. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button on the video, and if you want to support the show, head over to the Patreon page where you can become a Patreon supporter. But until next time guys, I am Bobby Freeman. Drive safe.